Hey, it's Chris from Bolton Technical. I'm here to introduce our new antenna. It's the CrossBow 5G. A few interesting facts about this antenna. Number one, it's a MIMO antenna, meaning multi-in and multi-out. Number two is it's a cross-polarized antenna, meaning there's actually two antennas inside the unit. Number three is it's a high-gain directional antenna with the maximum gain of 11 dB. The CrossBow runs on 617 to 894 megahertz on the low end, and it also runs from 1710 to 3800 megahertz on the high end. It's ideal for modems, hotspots, and routers, and it's perfect for both the urban and the rural area. So let's take a look inside the box to see what we have here. First, we have the antenna. It comes with a 16-foot white cable with two SMA Male connectors. It also comes with a wall mounting bracket and a pole mounting bracket, and also the CrossBow user guide. It's very important to note that we have another configuration that has N-connector females on both sides and comes with no cable. Hey, thanks for joining us on Bolton Technical today. We'll catch y'all later.